Hi bro. In this video you will know how to make a cinematic edit. Cinematic edit. Cinematic edit. Cinematic edit. I will tell you top 5 steps to make your video cinematic. Follow those 5 steps. Okay? Make sure to subscribe or I will become Thranos. To make your video more cinematic, first step is color grading. Color grade your videos and it will change your video and will make your video more cinematic. Watch my color grading tutorial, check it in description bro. Next steps is subtitles. Add subtitles to your videos, it will look more official type video. Third step is velocity. What is velocity? It is effect where you flash your video on music beats. We'll make a video on this. Fourth step is transitions. Yes, you will notice when we see trailers like Marvel or DC movies, they add fade transition or black transitions. So add cinematic fade transition. Fifth step is add cinematic bars. It is very simple adding bars in video, your video will look more cinematic. So these 5 tips to make cinematic trailers. Follow those. These are extremely helpful. Subscribe please if you like my videos.